Okay, that was the hardest leg day in weeks. Almost quit on.
This woman doesn't exist, and people like her are quietly pulling in a real monthly income on Instagram. In the next few minutes, I'm going to show you exactly how to build one for free, and at a quality most people think costs a fortune. And here's the part that makes this actually doable. Google Flow gives you 50 free credits every single day. That's enough for one full video a day, around 30 a month without spending a dollar. One post a day, every day. That's more than enough to run an entire influencer Instagram business on its own. But stick around till the end, because that's where I show you exactly how your next influencer can start making money. If you've scrolled lately, you've already seen them. AI influencers, faces that look completely human, posting fits, gym content, brand deals. Some have hundreds of thousands of followers. Brands are paying them like real creators, and the people behind them, pocketing the entire check. No model, no photographer, no studio. A year ago, this needed a render farm and a team. Today it needs you, a laptop, and about 10 minutes. So here's the full workflow. We're making a 30-second reel, one woman, 3 scenes, gym, kitchen, shopping, start to finish, completely free. Let's go. First, the script. I ask Claude for 3 clips, 10 seconds each, and tell it to keep the dialogue fast enough to fit within that time. Simple. I'm using Claude here, but feel free to use any model you like, ChatGPT, Gemini, whatever works for you. Now for the influencer herself. The face comes first because it's the anchor for everything. I'm using Google Flow for this. You get free image generation and 50 video credits every single day. Paste in the prompt, generate a few options, and pick the one that feels the most real. Those little details are what sell the illusion. For the first scene, she's at the gym. I grab a reference pose from Pinterest, drop it into Flow, and generate the first frame. Then I use that frame along with her face as references. That's the trick to keeping the same person consistent across every scene, same face, every clip. I take that image back to Claude, ask it to generate a video prompt with dialogue, paste it into Flow, and that's clip 1.
Okay, that was the hardest leg day in weeks. Almost quit on the last set. But this part, wrecked, sweaty, done. I love it.
From here, it's just rinse and repeat. And if this is helping, hit subscribe. It's free. Just like everything in this video. For the kitchen scene, I have Claude create an image prompt with her holding a mug. Generate a few options in Flow, choose the best one, then have Claude write the video prompt using both references. That's clip 2.
So no phone for the first hour after I wake up. Day 4. Harder than it sounds. But my head's so much quieter now. Worth it.
For the shopping scene, I grab another Pinterest reference, use Claude to build the image prompt from our character sheet, generate the frame in Flow, then create the final video prompt with both references. That's clip 3.
Came in for one thing, holding 3. So me. Zero self-control. Want a full haul? Comment and I'll film it. Okay, that's my day. Tomorrow?
Once all the clips are ready, open CapCut or whatever editor you use, drop them onto the timeline, add transitions or effects if you want, export, and you're done. Here's complete video.
Okay, that was the hardest leg day in weeks. Almost quit on the last set. But this part, wrecked, sweaty, done. I love it.
So no phone for the first hour after I wake up. Day 4. Harder than it sounds. But my head's so much quieter now. Worth it.
Came in for one thing, holding 3. So me. Zero self-control. Want a full haul? Comment and I'll film it. Okay, that's my day. Tomorrow?
Now the part you actually came for, how she makes money. Here's the model. An account like this monetizes 3 ways. Brand deals once the following grows, affiliate and platform payouts, and your own digital products or promos. The creators doing this well are pulling a real monthly income. And here's the part that matters. There's no model splitting the check, no photographer, no studio. One person, one laptop, the whole thing. That's why this is blowing up. The margins are insane because the entire production cost is basically just your time. And this is the step everyone skips. None of it works if she looks fake. The second someone clocks her as AI, the magic dies and so does the money. So here's the one thing I do that fixes it. Everyone's AI faces fail for the same reason. They're too perfect. Flawless skin, perfect symmetry, plastic, real humans aren't. So I prompt the imperfection back in, visible skin texture and pores, a little asymmetry in the face. faint under eye shadows, a few flyaway hairs. That's it. That single move is the line between obviously AI and wait, that's not real. Do that, and you've got a free, high-quality AI influencer that actually holds up. The exact prompts I used, face, scenes, all of it, are linked below. Now I want to hear from you. Drop a comment with the niche your AI influencer should go after. Fitness, fashion, travel, food. Tell me below, and I'll reply with the exact prompt to get you started. And if you want the deeper breakdown of the monetization side, the how she actually gets paid part, that's the next video. So like and subscribe now so you don't miss it.